In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Atlas future while talking about the Star Atlas cost estimate for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, essentially remember that you ought to generally believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since anticipating anything is an unpleasant undertaking. Generally, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Star Atlas. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner before we dive extremely profound into the Star Atlas value forecast and answer questions in the event that Atlas is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Atlas succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Star Atlas value rise or drop? We should rapidly, for the most part, toss a look at what Atlas is in its to-date history. Atlas value expectation for the following 10 days. In every practical sense, entire crypto world is on an edge of a sort of complete breakdown. Bitcoin really has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into commonly more especially stable business sectors. Crypto in a real sense is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, in opposition to mainstream thinking. This really is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin's sort of requirements to find a base before we can move in the by and large inverse course and generally alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will by and large start to do likewise. We in a real sense have seen this situation many really times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which in every practical sense is very huge. We expect whales and for the most part other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess in a real sense are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative for the most part potential, and a few all things considered, other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, which by and large is genuinely critical. 2023 0210 0.26% $0 0043 2023 0211 plus 6.85% $0 0046 2023 0212 plus 5.54% $0 0045 2023 02 13 plus 4.73% $0 0045 2023 02 14 plus 6.04% $0 0046 2023 02 15 plus 2.44% $0 0044 2023 02 16 0.37% $0 0043 2023 02 17 0.12% $0 0043 2023 02 18 0.76% $0 0043 2023 02 19 0.86% $0 0043 2023 02 206.39% $0 Atlas value expectation 2023 high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in an especially significant manner. At the point when we fundamentally take the inner crypto issues with exceptionally enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively certainly great for the bulls. We will likely generally see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake in an unpretentious manner. Captain Altcoin's expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Beneath essentially is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 18.67% $0 0035 2023 APRA 33.59% $0 0028 2023 May 16.96% $0 0036 2023 Jun 10.52% $0 0038 2023 Jul 8.88% $0 0039 $2023 AUG plus 7.77% $0.0046 2023 SEP plus 10.57% $0.0047 2023 OCT plus 16.35% $0.0050 2023 NOV plus 32.32% $0.0057 2023 DEC plus 38.00% $0.0059 2024 JAN plus 38.48% $0.0059 2024 Feb plus 53.00% $0 value forecast 2025 in an unpretentious manner. Our expectation model sees Atlas coming to 1 cent in 2025. What will Atlas be extremely worth in 5 years? The cost of Atlas in 5 years could lie around 1 cent. Star Atlas value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Star Atlas will be worth in 2030, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our determining model sees Star Atlas coming to 2 cents in 2030. What Star Atlas will truly be in every practical sense, worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Star Atlas coming to 5 cents in 2040. Will Star Atlas supplant, most certainly outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin, in spite of prevalent thinking? No, Star Atlas won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Star Atlas really reach $1? Indeed, Star Atlas could reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Could Star Atlas reach $10? Indeed, conceivable Star Atlas can reach $10, however, just in a removed future, after 2030. Can Star Atlas reach $100 in an unpretentious manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star Atlas to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Could Star Atlas reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star Atlas to reach $1,000 in the for the most part short or mid-term period. Is Star Atlas genuinely worth purchasing? We are backers of tolerably hazardous financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of genuinely enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Star Atlas merits purchasing. Is Star Atlas a generally excellent speculation? Star Atlas is, very much like all truly other digital forms of money, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, fundamentally dynamic local area, and an especially strong group behind it. How much will Star Atlas be extremely worth in an unobtrusive manner? For the especially momentary future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 2 cents or considerably higher. For what reason will Star Atlas truly succeed and get more expensive, which truly is genuinely huge? Star Atlas has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Star Atlas ascending to 2 cents in 2030 amazingly. For what reason will Star Atlas truly fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors, or so they thought. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the undertaking. Controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist